We're in Karlín. They've got a different style of building here. I haven't seen in other parts of Prague. Look at these. I think these are like newer buildings. Different sort of style of block housing. More modern looks to them. Big wide roads are more like the roads in Budapest on the Pest side. So I want to go and check out Karlín Square. The girl on the little ice cream thing told me it's this way. Entering Karlín Square, Karlín or something along them lines. How nice is this place? It's just like a perfect place to have a picnic and just relax and just hang out. Brilliant. I'm sure I saw a sign back there saying no dogs, and he's got a dog in here, so he's not following the rules. But what can you do? And here we have just making friends with the local wildlife here. Hello, Hibby. Say something for the camera.
Say hello, puppy.
Do you want to go to the cat cafe? See the cats. Oh no biting.
She's puppy, nibble puppy.
No nibbling, no nibble. Let's go to the cat cafe. Huh?
Meow. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow.
See, dogs love cats. What can you say? Yeah. There you go. Off to the cat cafe. Now we enter the Karlín Cat Cafe. Let's go. Oh, shit. Hello, Pulse. Yeah, I love cats. I feel associated with cats, so I had to come. As you can see, I love cats so much, so I had to come to the cat cafe and meet all the little kitties. Imagine the cat cafe. Oh, they're scared. It's full of cats. Hello, Puss, 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 Puss. Oh, this is a big fluffy one. Puss, Puss. Oh, yes. I'm making friends.
Meow.
That one's not sure. That one's not sure what's happening.
Meow meow.
Oh no. Hello. This one's my friend. Oh, you waking up now? I think we look alike. We look alike.
Kind of. The color is the same.
Yeah, we're the same. We're the same. We're twins.
I like him more.
Twins?
He's Barney.
Hello, Matilda. What's this one?
Barney.
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 Barney. Barney. Barney. Barney. More cats in the window.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh, there's another one here. They're everywhere. Push, push. Push, 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 push.
Meow.
Oh, tired. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. I felt like I had a real connection with those cats. This is my kind of place. But now we need to go and find the Žižkov tunnel. We need to walk through the Žižkov tunnel and go and explore Žižkov, because there's things to see and do there as well. Bit of graffiti here in Karlín. I think this is Žižkov Hill behind here, I believe. And then mixed in with all the nice buildings, you do have a bit of graffiti. You will find that in most parts of Prague. Kids get bored and start wanting graffiti and stuff, but it's not overbearing. Still, like, looks nice when you look up. We have the Žižkov tunnel up ahead, so this is my end of my little tour of Karlín. I hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna go through the tunnel and then to Žižkov. Free your mind, monkey boy.